NC CODER allows you to easily program multi-channel machines seamlessly using your Mastercam programs. NC CODER is integrated with the existing Eureka G-code simulation plugin right inside Mastercam, so you can quickly create a Eureka project with the program, parts, stock, and tooling. In the Eureka project, add your multi-channel synchronization and run G-code simulation. After the Eureka project is created, simply open NC CODER and the G-code Assistant tab. Drag and drop code blocks from the G-code Assistant where they are needed. In the NC CODER tab, you can adjust tools and position when you create operations for each channel. In the Program tab, you can add the required wait commands for the channels. After you have finished organizing your programs for each channel, post the code from NC CODER with a custom postprocessor for your machine and begin simulation.